Boil and grate the potatoes, then place them in a bowl. Add the chopped parsley, garlic chives, mozzarella cheese, the mentioned spices, grated sausages or shredded chicken, and mix well. Spread the mixture evenly over lavash bread using a spatula, then place slices of Gouda cheese on top. Cut the bread into desired shapes and set aside.
Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
For the batter, beat the eggs and gradually add yogurt, flour, and spices, mixing well until smooth. Dip the cut pieces of bread into the egg mixture and fry in hot oil over medium heat until the cheese inside melts. Enjoy your delicious samosas.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.